we have discussed some of the market ratios regarding the stock prices, earning, dividend, etc. Now we are moving forward and we are discussing two ratios which are called the yield ratios. But before we talk about these yield ratios, let's first discuss what is the concept of yield. The term yield in stock returns and in stock exchanges is used with reference to the return earned by an investor with reference to the current market price. The return of a shareholder or an investor can be earned in different ways, and so it can also be calculated in different ways. For example, if the return is divided by the initial investment, this will also be a percentage of return. The dividend, if divided by the par value of the share, will also give us a certain percentage of return. Similarly, earnings divided by the average price will also give us some percentage of return. But when it comes to the calculation of yield, we divide the earnings or dividends by the current or existing market price. We have discussed that earning per share is an absolute amount, यानी ये एक डॉलर या रुपी वैल्यू होती है. We divide the profit after tax with the number of outstanding shares in order to get the value of earning per share. And the term price refers to the current market price of a security. यानी अगर हम एक शेयर की बात करते हैं तो उस शेयर की उस वक्त स्टॉक मार्केट में या स्टॉक एक्सचेंज में क्या प्राइस प्रिवेल कर रही है, दिस इज व्हाट इज कॉल्ड द करंट मार्केट प्राइस ऑफ दैट शेयर. It is very important to remember that earnings per share are calculated normally once in a year, and in case if the quarterly statements are prepared, then after every quarter. But the stock price keeps on changing every moment. When the stocks are traded in the stock exchange, the price keeps on changing. So when we calculate the earning yield, we have to pick up a particular stock price on a given day at the end of the market operations. To calculate this ratio, which is earning yield ratio, we need to get the data of earning per share from the financial statements, and the market price is taken from the stock exchange. The formula of earning yield is earnings per share divided by the market price multiplied by 100. As it is a percentage ratio, so we can calculate it in decimals or in percentage. Let's have a look at this example and see that how it is calculated. If we consider two companies, A and B, and company A has got an earning per share of 10 rupees and company B has got 15, and the price of company A in the stock market at the moment when we are calculating this ratio is, let's say, rupees 50, and the price of company B's share is rupees 100. Although the earning per share of company B is higher than company A, but because of the higher price in the market, you can see that the earning yield of company A is 20% and the earning yield of company B is 15%. And as I have just mentioned, that this may change if we change the market price. Similarly, we can also calculate dividend yield. हम पढ़ चुके हैं कि डिविडेंड वो प्रॉफिट है जो शेयर होल्डर्स को अंदर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया जाता है. So if we want to calculate the return of dividend in terms of percentage with reference to the current market price, then it is called dividend yield. यानी अर्निंग्स को मार्केट प्राइस से डिवाइड करें तो अर्निंग यील्ड, और डिविडेंड को मार्केट प्राइस से डिवाइड करें तो डिविडेंड यील्ड. डिविडेंड डिक्लेयर्ड वो अमाउंट है जो शेयर होल्डर्स में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने के लिए डिक्लेयर किया जाता है. If it is divided by the number of outstanding shares, it gives us dividend per share जो हम पढ़ चुके हैं. So to calculate this ratio, we need to get the data from the financial statements and also from the market. The formula is very much similar to earning per shares yield, that is EPS over price per share. Here it has got DPS over price per share multiplied by 100. Again, if we look at this example, we can see that the two companies having dividend per share of 5 and 10, but because the market price of the two stocks is the same, so we have got company A having dividend yield of 5% and company B having dividend yield of 10%. And again, we should remember that this market price, whenever it changes, the yield also changes. The last thing that we need to know about yield ratios is कि ऐसा क्यों होता है कि एक कंपनी जिसका डिविडेंड कम है उसकी मार्केट प्राइस भी उतनी ही है, जिसका डिविडेंड ज़्यादा है उसकी मार्केट प्राइस भी उतनी है. इसकी बहुत सी वजूहात हैं. एक वजह तो ये है कि ऐसी कंपनी जिसका डिविडेंड ज़्यादा सर्टन है, यानी जिसके अंदर रिस्क का एलिमेंट कम है, तो इन्वेस्टर उस कम डिविडेंड को भी एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए तैयार होते हैं, also in terms of percentage. And that is why we see that in case that lesser dividend also leads to the same market price as we see in this example. So the dividends consistency or the risk element with reference to the earnings of the company also lead to the share price. We'll talk more about it in the price earning ratio that we will discuss later.